too, me too.
Me first, me first.
No, me first. See a spider. All 12 legs on it.
No, 3. It has 3 written all over it. Where do you see 3? Right there. It says 3. F-L-E-E.
You know what? I'm out of here.
What's your problem?
Huh? What's your problem?
What happened to you? Turn sexy. Arr. Have you ever seen Spider-Man? Gosh, I just been bit by a spider. Don't you see Spider-Man when he got bit? He freaking turned into a spider? It's not a spider, it's a flea. Arr. Watch this. Please don't do obstacles. They bite animals.
Not parrots. Animals.